Hi everyone, this is not our usual video. As you can see, I don't have everything set up kasi my room is getting fixed up, nililinis at inaayos, inorganize with the help of my titas who are angels. Now, today we're going to talk about question na pinapadala lagi sa akin to answer. And I always see that question na umiikot-ikot sa Facebook at marami pa rin ang nagkakamali. This is actually an age problem, pero mas simple age problem lang talaga siya. Kaya lang marami naguguluhan dito. And I figured dahil it's been a long time since I made one of these buy request videos, I'm going to make one right now. Yung buy request videos pala are the videos na sinasagutan ko yung mga questions that you sent to me. So, again, feel free to do that. Ang rules ko lang is that I don't answer questions na nasa copyrighted material. So, for example, if you buy a reviewer from outside, tapos papadala niyo yung question sa akin, I don't answer that kasi I respect the copyright, alam niyo yun, copyright rights ng mga gumawa ng reviewer na yun. So, this question, dahil, ano naman siya, open naman siya sa public, I'm going to answer that. And in order for me to show you, I'm going to switch over to my PC para makita ninyo. Alright? See you in a bit.
Request kasi ito yung mga questions that people send. This is what we're going to talk about today. So, itong question na to, we got around the internet and marami yung nagkakamali. But it's really simple, so I'm going to show you how to solve this. Sabi, my sister was half my age when I was 6. If I am now 70 years old, how old is my sister now? Okay? Now, ang common mistake when solving this question is people would look at this word, half, and then people would look at 70. So, ang ginagawa nila is, okay, so yung age ng sister, kalahati daw ng age niya. Kaya kung 70, the answer must be 35. But the thing is, this is wrong. Hindi 35 kasi half noong siya ay 6 years old. That was in the past. Ngayon, every year after nun, nadadagdagan sila ng tig-tig isang age, isang year sa life nila. So, nung nag-70 siya, hindi ibig sabihin na ang inusad lang nung sister niya ay 32 years. Ngayon, anong best way for you to solve this? Whether you're good at algebra or hindi, there is a way for you to solve this. And I'm going to show you a little bit about it. This is something that I discuss sa live review events, yung table technique. And it's very, very useful when it comes to age problems, coin problems, anything na marami ang mga factors na involved. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is this. I'm going to show you how to do this right. Using the table technique. Ganito yon. Pagdating sa age, ang titinan mo ilan yung tao. Ang tao is yung narrator at saka yung kanyang sister. Kung ilan yung tao, 1, 2, dalawang tao, yun ang dami ng rows sa column mo. So, 1, 2. Ito si narrator, si I, at saka yung kanyang sister. Okay? After nun, you look at kung ilan yung time period. Ngayon, yung time period, ibig sabihin, meron ba yung past, present, future? Nasaan yung mga yon? In this question, meron siyang dati when I was 6. Nung siya ay 6. That was in the past. Okay? Dati, nung si I, or si narrator ay 6, yung kanya sister ay half ng kanyang age. Then, noon, nung 6 siya. So, yung sister niya has to be ilang taon noon. Sister niya was 3 years old at that time. Dun sa past, nung 6 siya, kalahati ng age niya yung sa sister niya, so 3 years old yung sister niya noon. Ngayon, meron kang now. Now, siya daw ay 70 years old na. So, kung 70 years old siya, ilang taon ngayon yung sister niya? Ito yung tanong. Ito yun. Yan ang hinahanap natin. Ngayon, paano mo yan makukuha? Okay? Again, hindi pwede na di-divide mo lang yung 70 sa 2. Bakit? Kasi every year, nadadagdagan sila ng isang taon. For example, magsisingit tayo dito. After 1 year, magiging 7 years old siya, magiging 4 years old naman siya. So, ang tanong here would be this. Ano ang idadagdag mo dito? Okay? Improve natin to para for emphasis. Ano yung idadagdag mo sa 6? Para maging 70. Okay? Kasi obviously, kung ilan yung dinagdag mo, pinlus mo na age, yun yung idadagdag mo rin dito sa ilalim. Ngayon, para maging 70 years old siya, nagdagdag ka ng plus. Okay, ibrahin natin to. Ayan. Nag-plus 64 ka. Okay? Plus 64. So, ibig sabihin nun, 64 years ago, 6 years old siya. Kaya ngayon, 70 years old na siya. Ibig sabihin, kung 64 years old lumipas mula noon, 64 din ang idadagdag natin dito kay sister. So ngayon, kung 70 years old na siya, ngayon, ang sister niya will become 67 years old. Okay? Bakit? Kasi 64 years na lumipas mula nung 6 years old siya at mula nung 3 years old siya. So, common mistake again, hindi nyo ididiretsong i-divide yung 70 sa 2. Ang titingnan ninyo, yung point of reference sa past, kung ina yun yung inusad nung narrator, yun din dapat ang iusad nung kapatid niya to get to to get to the age. And when you're comfortable with this, there is an even easier way, okay, an even faster way for you to solve it, which should be, kung 6 years old siya dati, 3 years old yung sister niya, ang lamang niya ay 3 years. Okay? Bakit? Kasi 3 plus 3 is 6. So, kung 70 siya, para makuha yung age ng sister, i-reverse lang natin siya, i-backtrack lang natin. Babawasan mo lang siya ng 3 para makuha yung 67. Okay? Walang algebra, walang kahit ano. Hindi kailangan na may gawin ka dito. Ang kailangan mong gawin dito is common sense. Okay? Tamang pag-iisip, tagalugin ng tanong, intindihin maigi para makuha ng tama. Okay? So, following that pattern, I'm going to see if nakuha ninyo, okay, kung paano siya i-solve. Iniba ko yung ibang mga bagay. Ito yung tanong, my sister was twice my age when I was 6. If I am now 70 years old, how old is my sister now? Okay? So, I'm going to ask you to solve this by yourself and hit pause para masubukan ninyo. So, hit pause now. Alright, let's see how you did, okay? So, again, same thing din gagawin natin. Dalawang tao, merong si narrator, tsaka yung kanyang sister. Now, dati daw, okay, in the past, ang age nila, yung sister daw was twice his age nung siya ay 6. So, kung 6 years old si narrator, ilang taon niyo yung sister niya? Twice. Ibig sabihin ng twice, times 2. Ibig sabihin, mas matanda yung sister niya. 6 years old siya noon. Ang sister niya is 12 years old at the time, sa past. Ngayon, now, okay, siya ay 70 years old na. Okay? Ilang taon ngayon yung sister niya? Okay? Operating doon sa same principle, yung same thing na ginawa natin. Mula sa 6 para maging 70, that is plus 64. Okay? Yung plus 64, idalagdag din natin kay sister, 64, magiging 76 years old siya. The answer is 76. Or, kaya ng ginawa natin kanina, 6 years old siya, twice is 12. Ang ginawa lang natin dito is plus 6. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, kung ibabalik natin dito, kung 70 siya ngayon, okay, 70 siya dito, plus 6 yun yung magiging edad ng kanyang kapatid, which is going to be 76. Alright? So again, ang key here is just common sense, kalma, at i-drawing, intindihin ang tanong para hindi kayo magkamali. Okay?
Alright, I hope you learned something today. Click thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, lalo nang mag-exam din sila. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly or get a copy of one of the workbooks or practice test booklets, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlaika. Doon din ako nagpapadala ng mga free questions and other free resources. Marami nun. And if you want to see me teach live and attend one of the live review events, you can definitely go to one of them. The list of the dates and the locations are also on my Facebook page. So, thank you guys. God bless you. Aja, kaya niyan. See you next time. Bye for now.